Vision Apartments St. is located in a quiet, charming suburb of Lausanne, close to Lake Geneva and the prestigious EPFL University. The property offers 60 apartments, from an 18 square meter mini studio to a 46 square meter one-bedroom apartment. Every one of them features a unique Vision Apartments design style. Aegean mood is inspired by the Mediterranean, with natural materials and curved forms. The Cape Town living mixes dusty grey elegance with vibrant and colourful South Africa-inspired decorations. The rent includes all costs: Wi-Fi, digital TV and weekly cleaning. The washing machines and dryers are freely available for tenants. Apartments are always ready. You can book today and move in tomorrow without worrying about anything. In addition to the brand new apartments, Vision Apartments St. offers co-working spaces and conference rooms, so you can work and rest without having to move around. Vision Apartments, your first address.